Hello everyone, okay, welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a delicious spinach smoothie with orange juice. It really helps, get you filled up within the day. It's a really good replacement meal, in case you are running late for breakfast or you're on a quick hurry to work or school, whatever it may be. This is a great drink that you guys could make in the morning. It's easy, fast, simple. So let's get into it. So right here we have the bag of spinach. I just got this at Costco. It's very inexpensive, around $7 for the bag, but you get baby chard, kale, and spinach, everything that you need for the smoothie. But what we need is 85 grams of this. So we're gonna be measuring it. And I got this little measuring equipment right here, the scale. So we just gotta make sure there's at least approximately 85 grams. Just measure that out. It could be lower, it could be more. It's whatever you guys want, actually. So let's just make sure it's around 84. Yeah, let's look around there. So we have this measured out, and we're just gonna measure the orange juice. Okay, just came back with the orange juice, and I just got this generic, the simple orange juice right here, Tropicana, pure premium. Now, it may vary between you guys, but I like mine with a lot of pulp. I just think that it's a lot more natural, the texture of it, it's just, for my personal preference, it's amazing. So, just shake it up a little bit. Make sure it's all nice and shaken, and we're just going to be getting at least, let's see, approximately 8 ounces. So we just convert this to ounces, just 8 ounces right here, and we'll see. Just make sure we don't overdo it. Okay, so they're approximately 8 ounces. It's okay if we go a little overboard, as long as it's within the 8 ounces. So after we got our orange juice, we just have to put in our spinach mixture, and we'll get it all fixed. So just got everything washed. I got this washed right now, so it might be a little watery, but it's okay because we're going to be putting it inside the blender. So we just put it in, and we'll let the magic happen. Make sure everything's stuffed in, and we'll go from there. Now, I forgot to mention this, but if you guys actually want to add more things to your drink, go for it. I mean, it's just your personal preference. For me, I just like this concoction that I just made, It's nice, simple, easy, and yeah. So in that case, I would like just, you could do full banana, but for me, I'll just do half a banana. Just put on the lid, and you'll be on your way to having a delicious smoothie. So once you are done, you just pour it into your container, and you are on your way for a delicious smoothie. Now, like I said before, I keep repeating myself, but this is actually just my personal taste. You guys could add anything between peanut butter, or you could add some nuts, flax seeds, anything in general, just as long as you guys get it to your taste. Now, I'm going to be doing a live testing right now of the shake. So let's taste it, guys. That is one good smoothie. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more videos in the near future. Please make sure to leave a comment down below saying what's your favorite smoothie. So yeah, guys, see you guys later. Bye.